I can't believe that the Tanner family's refrigerator is still working. I mean, come on. You can't make me believe that. See, how could the Tanner family's refrigerator still be working when ours went out when we moved in here to this house in 2005? I mean, you gotta get with the picture. This show has been on the air since, I don't know, since the 70s, maybe, and the refrigerator has still been working. These must be rumors. I mean, come on. Either it's a 70s show or it's a 80s show. What do you think, people? What do you think, people? I don't know. Please subscribe, rate, and comment.